know, fuck all you guys who don't have a place to go. I do. I have to get home. I have kids. You don't. Alright? You guys all fucked up my train ride home to my fucking kid. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Because you guys can't move out the fucking way. I can't tell you that. No. You have orange line or blue line? Orange line or blue line? What do you have? Orange line or blue line? Alright, go to fucking one. I don't even talk to you.
What the hell is 15 minutes?
15 minutes. 15 minutes is a babysitting. 15 minutes is not getting to see my baby's mother. Alright? I love her present. I love her so much. At 15 minutes, I can't see her. Alright. Put on your tie. Go to fucking one. Alright? You're done. I have nothing to say to you. Shut the fuck up and leave. Move on. Alright? You're done. Did you catch that train?
No.
Exactly. You didn't. So shut the fuck up and move on. I have nothing to say to you. You're just a dumbass who keep talking. Alright? I gotta do this shit the whole fucking time. The whole fucking time I have people not moving inside. I'm trying to get down I'm trying to do an escalator. You see that shit? It's an escalator.
Well,
move to one side so I get to the
Some
train.
people don't know. Help them know somehow.
Yeah, move. They don't understand that shit. Alright? So, they don't understand this shit.
Not everyone here speaks English.
It doesn't matter. If you're in America, guess what? You speak fucking English, dumbass.
I do. Not everyone else.
Alright, there you go. That's it. And that's all. If you don't understand English, Spanglish, any amount or anything like English.
No matter what's wrong right now, I'm sure it's terrible. I'm sure it's way
It
worse
isn't
than what
terrible. I can't see my fucking kid.
But it could be worse.
It could be dead. Congratulations. You got it. I'm sorry. I apologize. It could be worse. I want you to shut the fuck up and move the fuck on. Alright? I can't see my fucking kids because motherfuckers can't even move to the side escalator so I can get down to the fucking train car. Alright? I want you to shut the fuck up and move.
I want you to relax when your kids see
No,
you.
I can't. Because I have kids. I love my kids.
So when your kids see
if you can't see your
at
kids,
least
I'm
be
sorry,
happy.
you can't relax. How about you shut the fuck up and move on? How about that?
Happy kids.
How about that? Whoa, congratulations. Oh, congratulations. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Once you have kids, you understand how I feel.
I will.
Until then, shut the fuck up and move on. Seriously.
Just trying to help out.
Hey, no, you're not helping. You're just making me more pissed off. Shut up and move on. How's that hard? It's not hard. Shut up, move on. Bye. Do this.
That's what I'm about to do.
All right, do it. Thank you. Don't tell me you're doing it. Tell you what, do it and I'll believe it. Thank you. Shut up and move on. I don't need any help. All right? I don't need help on Metro. No help on Metro. Because I'm all by myself. You know what? I don't give a shit. People do not give a shit anymore. If you're a tourist, move to one side.